Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister, the DisruptMeister. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video, retweet my tweets, and just spread the word. And I am in Maputo Mozambique still. I want to say thank you for the Bitcoin to the people who've been sending me Bitcoin, the 666 Bitcoin. I don't know if that's a copycat. Not 660, like 0.0000666. Keep up the funny jokes with the sending of the Bitcoin. All my altcoin addresses, Bitcoin addresses are below in the notes section, and do check out the notes section as we link to a lot of links today. Bitcoin had a $740 day yesterday, the day of the presentation here in Mozambique. There are a lot of reasons for this, I guess. We're still trying to figure it all out. We talked about that in a previous video, that the demand is probably maybe higher than everyone really understands it to be. In India, things are going wild over there, perhaps. Let's get into that in a second. I wanted to talk about what's unique about this channel is that I'm traveling around Africa. I'm meeting people dealing with Bitcoin, and no other channel talks about this kind of thing, the hands-on-the-ground Africa scene. And so the presentation yesterday went very well. Lorian Gamaroff was also there from South Africa. He did a great job. Mussagi, Cassamo, who is the guy here, he did a good job. He spoke in Portuguese, didn't understand a word he said, but he looked like everyone seemed happy. There were 50 people at the event. The event was not marketed very well at all, and still all of these people showed up. Really eager learners with great questions, so curious about Bitcoin. And when Lorian, I think, asked the question, you raise your hands if you had Bitcoin, I think only like 3 people said they had Bitcoin at all. So, I mean, it might have even been 1 or 2. It was hard to tell. The hands kind of went, eh. So there's a lot of room to grow here, and a lot of connections were made, I will say that. And there could be follow-up events, larger follow-up events, hopefully, and I will keep everyone updated, but it was an incredibly positive experience. This city is a lot different than all the other places I've been. It's a Portuguese-speaking country. It's different culture. It reminds me of Brazil a little bit here. So there's just a lot of excitement, and I will post an interview with Mussagi that has already been, I recorded it yesterday. That this internet connection is slow, so I can't upload it. But you'll get a little bit more insight. Maybe I'll talk some more. If you have questions, ask questions in the comments section. I will try to answer them. But it was a good time. It was very positive. This whole trip has been incredible, and I can't even fully explain it or understand it. We are just the tip of the iceberg here because penetration is so low, but there is eagerness to learn about Bitcoin because the financial situations in these countries, Zimbabwe and Mozambique, are difficult. Difficult is a good word. So Vinny Lingham, I will link to a tweet of his talking about India and the price, and that people do not fully understand what is about to happen. He retweeted another tweet of a guy in India who says that Bitcoin is close to 900 in India. It is selling at a premium in India because people are trying to get their hand. They're desperate. They're desperate because of the cash crunch situation there. So this is good news. Again, if it really starts to translate into the larger market, if it's a lot of Indian people, then the price all around the world will be $900. But there's an arbitrage opportunity there. At least there was yesterday. This is a fast-moving situation. Who knows? But I will link to that. Link to BitcoinMeister has an interesting link about Ethereum that a lot of people are betting on it to go up again soon. And it's kind of funny because I had just mentioned that. But if they lose that bet, they're going to be in really bad shape. So that's why I don't borrow money to play these trading games, people. But I just, I can almost like feel it that Ethereum will go up again because it hasn't had a boost yet. That's just the way it seems to have worked. No logic behind it, just people, speculators boosting it. Anyway, it's not something I'm betting on. It's nothing that I'm speculating on, but I wanted to mention it. The other day, I forgot to mention the Huobi Chinese exchange. I mean, there was definitely, the Chinese were definitely paying more than on the other exchanges. It shows something's going on in China. Maybe people like using their exchanges more. That could be it. But I just feel like there is more of a demand in China. That, I mean, more of a real need that people are really trying to hide their money. But who knows? This is all very cloudy and nebulous situation. We're not on the ground in China, and there's anyone can use their trading platforms, their exchanges, and people going back to Mozambique, they need a trade. It seems like people want to get a hold of it, but they're very confused how to get a hold of Bitcoin, and it's hard here because there is no exchange here. So you have to go. Who knows? I spoke about some ways to maybe get some free Bitcoin too. For people here in Africa, at least, you post on Steam and you say you're from Africa, you get a bunch of Steam. You can sell the Steam for Bitcoin. Anyway, just a reminder to everyone that the situation is very fluid here, and the India could erupt again. Who knows what could happen? So keep on holding, keep on buying. Don't sell, because this is the time you're going to regret it. Check out those tweets. They'll make you feel happy about everything that's going on. I'm Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister. There will be another video hopefully today. My schedule is still crazy, and I can't wait to get to my Airbnb. Talk to you later.